of justice, and yet the Republicans today berated the special counsel. What did you make of their questioning?
Well, I think they were trying to make this about
the civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of Texas beginning of 5 p.m. and ending at 5:01 p.m. KHOU, the Texas State Emergency Management, is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tones. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
I do think a few things were established that was important. One, the integrity of the investigation itself. I think he came back off as humble, and he backed up his team, and his opening remarks were, this is a neutral rule of law investigation. Two is the